את רוצה לצאת החוצה?
Even though she loves resting all day, the true passion of the home fox is being outside. There's something about the outside world that fascinates her in ways her mind cannot fully grasp. So she eagerly waits for every opportunity to go outside. And then, when she's finally there, scratching, 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 sniffing, sniffing, sniffing. What is that I see there? A cat, a bird, never mind. Hard to keep focus when you're outside. When it's time to get back inside, she gets in and then turns around as if she was never out. The outside is always alluring to the home fox. That's because of its ancestor, the regular fox, who is always outside. It's in her nature.